Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. While teaching in a school, I can impart my knowledge to a limited number of students. But YouTube have increased this responsibility. While making live sessions, while making videos, taking crash courses, now my responsibility increases manifold. Because I used to treat them not like my viewers, not like students. They are like small kids to me, like my own bachchas. Now, on the declaration of ICSE result date, it is on 6 May, I was very nervous in the beginning. However, as the calls and messages started pouring in, of course, with good news, I was overwhelmed with joy. Most of my students at school and coaching had excelled in their subjects. Their parents also called me to thank. My level of happiness became manifold when my YouTube subscribers started pouring in their messages and comments while going beyond to share their marksheet with me. सोचिए उनका ट्रस्ट मेरे ऊपर कितना है कि उन्होंने मेरे साथ एक बार कहने पे अपनी मार्कशीट शेयर की हैं जो मैं अभी आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. Some students wanted to come live with me and thank me personally. This is when the idea struck to me to make this video and invite few of my YouTube subscribers to come along with me in this video.
So first of all, ma'am, I would like to thank you for your all videos, your motivation and the tips that you shared with us for our ICS examination. And with your help, I scored 94.7 percentage in my board exams. And also the videos of the marathons that you made of different units in physics, chemistry, bio, especially of different MCQs, which made me help to score good marks in the exam. So thank you for your efforts very much.
Hi everyone, I am Mayank Sao, a student of ICSE batch 2024 in which I scored 99.2 percentage. Learn with Deepthi Anand is a YouTube channel which I highly recommend to my juniors. Ma'am's channel cover a wide range of topics of different boards including ICSE, ISC, CBSE and state boards. Her last minute revision tips, mark distribution, specimen paper answers, explanation videos and many such videos are really helpful in class 10 and is continuing to be a blessing in class 11. Thank you ma'am for your unwavering support, love, guidance and blessings. My heartfelt gratitude is ineffable. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Farina Ismail Qadri and I'm here to dedicate few words about Deepthi ma'am's channel. Deepthi ma'am is truly a multi-talented person. She teaches all the subjects so perfectly. And the second thing about her is she is so humble. She replies to all the comments and the queries that are given by the students. And then the third thing is that her prediction videos, which helped me a lot. Like it gave me an idea that which all topics are important and I studied them very perfectly and all those things came in the board examination. So thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Ayushi Singh, a student of class 10 from 2024 batch. I have scored 98.4% marks in my 10th board exams and it is all possible because of a channel Learn with Deepthi Anand, and I recommend the same channel to my juniors for the preparation. Her last minute tips, explanation videos and important question videos, marks distribution, everything has been quite beneficial for me and I would recommend them to watch the videos. And she teaches both ICSE and CBSE boards. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to her for her guidance.
और दीप्ति मैम्स क्लास इज कि कॉन्सेप्ट्स इतने अच्छे से तुम लोग को एक्सप्लेन कर दिए जाते हैं कि क्लास ख़त्म होने तक रियलाइज़ भी नहीं होता एंड सब कुछ ऑलरेडी याद हो चुका होता है. दूसरी चीज़, दीप्ति मैम इतने मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड करती हैं कि और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. तुम उनके मटेरियल्स को अच्छे से एक बार गो थ्रू कर लो, मतलब करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं, रीड कर लो एक बार ढंग से, हमारे चैप्टर में से कुछ रहेगा भी नहीं. एंड थर्ड चीज़, डाउट आ भी रहा है, दीप्ति मैम इज़ ऑलवेज मोस्ट ऑब्लाइज टू सॉल्व योर डाउट्स. वो कभी भी डांटती नहीं है एंड वो जितनी बार भी तुम एक भी डाउट बोलोगे ना वो अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करेंगे जब तक तुम्हें आ ना जाए.
Hi, myself Rajnandini Das. I have scored 94.8% in my boards, and it's only because of the help of Deepti ma'am's video, which really helped me a lot to recall the chapters, to know more about the chapters, and also to understand the chapters. And I will suggest everybody to please go and see her videos so that you can also really score good marks in your exam. And ma'am's video also encourages us to score good, help us to score good. So I really feel that it's a channel which really is a blessing for all of us, and it's really a boon for me to score such a good marks in my boards.
Good evening, ma'am. I would like to inform you that I got 96%, chemistry and physical education with full marks and bio with 99 marks. Your MCQ series of biology and chemistry helped me a lot at the last moment of my preparation. Because of those videos, I was able to score full in chemistry. So I just want to thank you. Thank you so much.
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम अंशवी श्रीवास्तव है और मैं ज़िला अयोध्या में फर्स्ट रैंक लाया हूँ। इसका श्रेय मैं अपने टीचर्स को देना चाहूँगा। ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन मोड दोनों मैंने पढ़ाई की थी एंड ऑनलाइन मोड में मेरा सबसे हेल्पफुल था लर्न विद दीप्ति आनंद चैनल। मैम के डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस बेस्ट रहते थे। मैं लर्न विद दीप्ति आनंद के फिजिक्स यूट्यूब वीडियोस को अपने डाउट क्लियरिंग के लिए देखता था और इनफैक्ट इट हैज़ हेल्प मी अ लॉट। Chapters like electromagnetism, current and electricity have been best taught. This channels also provide motivational videos जैसे अपना ज्ञान चक्र कैसे चलाएं, ये मैंने देखा, समझा और जो है अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर किया। They also found this channel very good and impressive. The way how her teaching is outstanding. मतलब उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका इतना सरल है कि किसी को भी आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा। Predicted question, mark distribution and etc. This helped me a lot. Once again, I am going to thank Mrs. Dipti Anand.
Myself, Abhiraj Nair. I came across ma'am's channel when I was searching on YouTube for how to study for ICSE 10th board exams, and I saw a video of ma'am which was some removed topics from the syllabus, and that's how I started following ma'am's channels regularly. All the videos which ma'am makes on all the subjects helped me a lot to prepare for my exams without any tuition classes. Ma'am's prediction videos during the board exams also helped me a lot to secure 91% marks in my board exams. This is my gratitude to Bipti ma'am for doing all the efforts she has done for us. Thank you.
Hi, I am Aditi Parekh and I am here to speak a few words about Dipti ma'am's channel. She is really hardworking towards her channel, and no matter what the time and conditions, she is ready to make video for us. Determination. I am really moved by how determined she is towards the channel and her students. She enjoys teaching and spread knowledge through whatever means. Third, her prediction videos are the only thing I relied on this exam time. Her accuracy was really something we could trust on. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ayush and I have just completed my class 10th. I have learned a lot from Dipti ma'am's channel especially, so I would like to mention 3 things which are crucial and which I see in her. First of all, she is a multi-talented person in my opinion, because she deals with every single nuance of each and every subject, and that is something a very difficult or Herculean task for many of the students especially, and for many of the teachers as well. One teacher could teach 1, 2 or 3 subjects, but she is able to teach all the subjects in that eloquent manner, and that is something I would like to appreciate about her. Next thing about her is that she is very much consistent on her channel, no matter how much of the eminence that she has got. She's always regular on her channel and uploads videos approximately every day, reaching out to the students. And the third thing that I like about her is that she personally replies to each and every comment of children and clears or sorts each and every doubt child has especially.
Hello everyone, I am Sanvi Angadi and I've scored 97.6% in my class 10th ICSE 2024 exam. The KISA papers what Deepti ma'am provided along with the PDFs and the detailed solution made me judge my level of preparation. The second, during my last 1 month course of preparation, the specimen papers, the solutions, the accurate solutions what Deepti ma'am provided was extremely helpful. And the third one, were the tips and predictions videos what Deepti ma'am provided us made my revision quicker and easier. Indeed, her way of teaching was really interesting and made me understand concepts in a very easy way. Thank you.
Today we are going to talk how to score good marks in biology. I got 94 out of 100. Few tips that I can share with you all. I will like to suggest you that go through all the videos that have been made by Deepti ma'am in her YouTube channel, because that helped me a lot to understand the important portion of biology. Second, go through only those diagrams which are said important by Deepti ma'am in biology. And third, do not go to offline tuition when you are getting so much help from these channels. Try to invest your time more in your self studies. Thank you.
Although I have shared a video with all of you why to subscribe to my channel, but क्योंकि अब रिजल्ट आ चुका है सो प्रत्यक्षम प्रमाणम, यानी कि जो मैंने पूरा साल स्टूडेंट के साथ मेहनत की और ये उनके ट्रू रिव्यूज हैं जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किए। और अब जो मैं शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ये इन स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा दी गई टिप्स हैं उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिन्होंने नया नया मेरा चैनल अभी ज्वाइन किया है या करने वाले हैं क्लास 9 और 10 के लिए। तो माई सेकेंड क्वेश्चन टू देम इज व्हाट दे वांट टू टेल टू देयर जूनियर्स, हाउ दे can improve their score, how can they can score good marks. So this is the second question asked from all of them and the answers are given in the form of video in front of you now.
I myself, Rajnandini Das, I have scored 94.8% in my boards, and I want to suggest my juniors that don't feel stressed about your boards. Just take it easy and be a conceptual learner, which will really help you. And for MCQs, read every corner of the books, which would be very beneficial for you. And for maths, physics and chemistry numericals, practice as more as you can. Thank you.
Tips that I will give to my juniors for their upcoming 2025 board exams will be being consistent and determined from starting, and you have to set your goals at a higher level. And secondly, they have to make their own notes, go through all the previous year questions, because mostly the board exam is repeated with previous year questions, but as the pattern is changing now, new questions, new types of questions on the basis of critical thinking are also there. So don't actually cram the things, but understand the concept very deeply.
Here are a few advices for my juniors. So the first advice would be follow your school textbook only and do not go over any other question bank or reference book. Remember that minimum resources gives the maximum output. Then the second tip would be set a target, like you have to complete your syllabus by the end of October, and also have a daily to-do list and cancel out the tasks that you are doing. It will keep you motivated throughout the day. Then the third tip would be that never ignore English language. That was the mistake that I did, which decreased my percentage a little bit. So English is a compulsory subject and never ignore that. Thank you so much.
I would like to give some important tips to my juniors. Practice PYQs very properly. They are quite beneficial to prepare you for the board exams. Secondly, study with full concentration in class and revise all which you have done in school after coming back home. Last but not the least, maintain consistency in your work and do hard work along with smart work. For any doubts, Deepti ma'am will be there to help you and guide you throughout the journey.
For English language, practice one essay or one letter at least a week. Go through the lines of the drama, poems and stories. Character sketch and mood-based questions is very important. The same goes for Hindi as well. For history civics, both learn the history part and understand civics very well. For geography, in revision question, take relevant example from your surrounding and take help from your book. In maths, write formula at first and then proceed to solve. Do solve math question 30 minutes each day. Do PYQ of all subjects and take help from Deepti ma'am, from your school teacher and from your tuition teacher. My best wishes are with you.
Myself, Abhiraj Nayak. One tip which I would like to give my juniors is that they should start studying from the first day of 10th standard, because the syllabus is not small, it is very vast, and the person who is going to start from day 1 is only going to score good marks. Secondly, I would say that they should buy the 10 years book and solve all the papers in that, which would help really a lot. If not, then there are many websites on Google which you can search for, and you can get all the papers of the previous years. And I would suggest that we should give our 100% and study hard. We should get out of our comfort zone, and that's how we can score really good marks in our 10th exams.
My advice to the students who will be writing their boards in 2025 is that कोई टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आराम से calm yourself एंड बस जो तुमने किया है उसको बस रिवाइज करो. मतलब ये नहीं कि खड़े हुए एग्जाम सेंटर के बाहर करे जा रहे रिवाइज. काम योर सेल्फ डाउन एंड बस दिमाग में पॉइंट्स लाओ कि तुमने ये किया और स्पेशली जिस एरिया में वीक हो वो वाले पॉइंट्स बार बार अपने दिमाग में लाते रहो कि भूल ना जाओ. ऑल द बेस्ट.
First of all, consistency is the key. Practice is what makes you achieve this feat. Then, be attentive in class. This might seem somewhat not so important, but being attentive in class is extremely crucial. It makes you understand and grasp the concepts really fast. Next is solve all the PYQs and all the specimen question papers of your given year, and listen to your teacher's tips carefully. My school teachers and Deepti ma'am really helped me a lot in giving all study tips which helped me crack my board exam. Give ample amount of time to your English language and literature. That is extremely important.
Dear juniors, if you want to score good percentage in your 10th, then I would like to suggest you that don't leave any subject for the last moment. Because I also did the same mistake and I was regretting a lot. So I don't want you to make a same mistake. And syllabus generally हो सके उतना जल्दी ख़त्म करो and ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ध्यान रिवीजन कर दो. And 10th में ऐसा नहीं कि आप 10 घंटे 12 घंटे पढ़ाई करेंगे तभी आपके अच्छे परसेंटेज आएंगे. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट हो कि 4-5 घंटे भी डेली का पढ़ लेते हैं तो आपके अच्छे परसेंटेज आ जाएंगे. So syllabus को जल्दी ख़त्म करो और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ध्यान रिवीजन पर लगाओ. Thank you and all the best for your future exams.
Few tips that I would like to have. First of all, you don't have to hamper a lot about boards. Next thing is that complete your syllabus as soon as possible. Approximately November should be the last, and the revision should be started from there onwards. Third and most importantly, if you have to score above 90, you will have to work hard in each and every subject. You cannot only depend on mathematics or physics or just science for that. You'll have to study, you'll have to work hard in each and every subject. Keep a track of history especially, because that is something which becomes a dilemma for students at the last.
I also want to share with you that I have taken a tuition from Dubai, student named Sharawal, and his score is 87%. He also want to say something, but now he is in the base camp in Himalayas in Nepal. So there is network problem, so I cannot share his video right now with you. But if it is possible, then I will definitely share with you in any other video. Now, comments from those few students whose videos I could not compile in this one, but I am going to share their certificate and YouTube comment. So first of all, Kuhu Gupta, her percentage is 95%, and comment is, ma'am, I have scored 95% in my board exams. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your efforts and hard work. One day suddenly I came across your video on Topo Sheet, and from then onward I am following you, and I am so glad and thankful. Once again, a big thank you, ma'am. This is a comment from Kuhu Gupta. Next is Ambika Bhuvneshwari, and her percentage is 91%. She has written on YouTube, ma'am, it was because of you I could score this well. I listened to each and every video you uploaded during exams and attended almost all live classes. So hats off to you, ma'am. Thank you. This is a comment from Ambika Bhuvneshwari, and her percentage is 91%. Next is Manjuli Maurya, and her comment is, ma'am, I have scored 98 in biology, 98 in history, and 98 in literature, 93 in language, and 92 in maths, 89 in science, and got 92.4% overall. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your support, help, and guidance. This is a comment from Manjuli Maurya. Now next comment is, ma'am, I am the topper of my school, St. Edmund School of Meghalaya. I am also the topper of my city and possibly the state of Meghalaya. You helped me a lot through your predictions. It helped me to focus more on the important sections. Thank you, ma'am. Next comment is, ma'am, you are with us from first day of class 10th to the last day of 10th. Thank you for it. And next of few comment and certificates I am sharing with you are from Riya Rajkumar, and her percentage is 70.6%, and Niranjan KS, his percentage is 85%. They have also taken my crash course. So these a few students I have taken from my crash course also, because ये वो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने मैंने जितने भी फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो और मैथ्स के क्रैश कोर्सेज लिए थे वो भी अटेंड किए हैं. एक वीडियो भी मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया जो समृद्धि के नाम से आपने पहले जो देखी है. समृद्धि ने भी मेरे चारों सेशंस, इवन बायो का भी, क्योंकि बायो में थोड़े कम स्टूडेंट्स हो जाते हैं, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो, मैथ्स, उसने चारों सेशंस लिए थे और उसका कहना है कि उसके 65% से 91% तक पहुंचे हैं. सो क्रैश कोर्स का भी मुझे आपके साथ रिवील करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि मैं क्रैश कोर्स ले रही हूँ, उसके बावजूद भी अगर सब तक वो नहीं पहुँच पाएगा तो मेरे लेने का फ़ायदा नहीं रह पाएगा. हालांकि वो मैं अभी नहीं लूँगी, वो मैं थोड़ा बाद में, जब अक्टूबर में आपके सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएंगे तब मैं क्रैश कोर्सेज की क्लासेस स्टार्ट करूँगी. तो मैं आपके साथ सिर्फ अभी शेयर कर रही हूँ ये बात. तो वैसे तो बहुत सारे कमेंट्स हैं, बट मैं आपके साथ सारे शेयर नहीं कर सकती हूँ. आप YouTube चैनल में कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके देख सकते हैं, खुद भी देख सकते हैं. सांझ को आंच क्या, तो आप खुद देख सकते हैं. इसके साथ मैं कंक्लूड करना चाहूँगी आज की वीडियो, बट मैं आपके साथ कुछ अपनी तरफ से पॉइंट्स रखना चाहती हूँ. जैसा कि आपने देखा, आपके साथ बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे टिप्स आपके इन सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स ने, क्योंकि अभी तो आप 9th-10th में आ रहे हैं, तो ये आपके लिए सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स हो गए, क्योंकि इनका तो रिजल्ट अब आ गया है. तो इन्होंने शेयर किया अपने एक्सपीरियंस के साथ कि जैसे आप कंसिस्टेंटली काम करते रहिए. ये नहीं है कि आप बाद में जाके ही पढ़ेंगे तभी आपको अच्छे मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे, आप अभी नहीं जागेंगे. तो मैं इसके लिए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी लेती हूँ. अगर आप में से कोई ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में इंटरेस्टेड होगा तो मैं वो भी लेने के लिए तैयार हूँ. अभी इसके अलावा हम कुछ पढ़ के रखेंगे. अभी आपके पास स्पेसिमेन पेपर्स आएंगे, काउंसिल रिलीज करेगी, उनके साथ मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आएगी, मैं उनकी वीडियोस आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. फिर किसा पेपर्स आएंगे, उनकी वीडियोस आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी. किसा क्या है? किसा कर्नाटका ICSE स्कूल्स एसोसिएशन के द्वारा रिलीज किए गए पेपर्स होते हैं, जो मैं आपके साथ उनका, जैसा अभी आपके साथ सानवी ने डिस्कस भी किया था, कि मैं उनका PDF भी डालती हूँ ताकि हर स्टूडेंट उसको एज ए प्री बोर्ड पेपर, प्रैक्टिस पेपर की तरह उसको यूज़ कर पाए. तो आप उसको भी सॉल्व कीजिएगा. फिर हम कुछ सैम्पल पेपर्स, मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर्स भी सॉल्व करेंगे, क्रैश कोर्सेज भी करूँगी. तो पूरा साल हम कंसिस्टेंटली करेंगे. फिर पेपर्स के टाइम में लाइव सेशंस भी लूँगी, चाहे मेरी तबीयत खराब हो जाएगी कोई बात नहीं, तो बट लाइव सेशंस भी लूँगी, क्योंकि उन दिनों में बहुत हेक्टिक शेड्यूल हो जाता है. आप सबको पता है, जैसे आपका होता है ऐसे मेरा भी होता है. और मैं इतनी टेंशन लेती हूँ स्टूडेंट्स के पेपर्स की, हर बार स्कूल में मेरा मजाक होता है कि सब टीचर्स कहते हैं, मैम आपको तो डाइटिंग करने की जरूरत ही नहीं, पेपर्स के टाइम में आपका 4-5 kg वेट तो वैसे ही रिड्यूस हो जाता है. और ये शायद सच भी है, मुझे खुद नहीं पता कि मैं क्यों इतनी टेंशन लेती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे अच्छा लगता है. कुछ और ज़्यादा ना बोलते हुए मैं आपके साथ सारी चीज़ें सच में ट्रांसपेरेंट रखते हुए पूरी चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर कर दी हैं. अभी भी आपको पसंद ना लगे तो ये आपकी चॉइस है, अगर आप सब्सक्राइब नहीं करना चाहते हैं. बट अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, शेयर विद योर जूनियर्स और योर सिबलिंग्स. आई हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड वीडियोज़ फॉर क्लास 9 ICSE एज वेल एज CBSE. बट अगर आपके कोई स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आप उनके साथ भी शेयर कर सकते हैं. हालांकि अभी तो उनका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत कम है. Still, thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.